Printhead installation 5-step procedure. Step 1. Open the media door. Step 2. Disengage the printhead latch. Step 3. Release the print assembly pressure lever. Step 4. Remove the old printhead. Step 5. Install the new printhead. Seat the printhead into the mounting slot. Engage the print assembly pressure lever. Engage the printhead latch. Close the media door. Subscribe to my channel for more printer-related information. If you'd like to know anything else, feel free to like and leave a comment. We will keep updating our content.